Hi. In this guide, we will learn how to create carousel template in QuickReply. First, click on Create WhatsApp Template. Next, type in the template name that you want to create. Select Category as Marketing and select Type as Carousel. Click on Create. Now, you are inside the WhatsApp template editor. Now, Carousel template consists of multiple parts. The first part is the message bubble, which appears at the starting of the carousel template, followed by carousel cards. You can have maximum 10 cards in a carousel template. Also, please make sure that all the cards have the same structure for header and button order. For an example, if I select header as image in the card 1, all the cards will have image in the header. Similarly, for buttons, if I select website as the first button and QuickReply as the second button, it will be same in all the cards, and the order will also be same. Making changes will affect all other cards. Okay, let's get started creating our first carousel template. Let me just type in some text for the message bubble. Next, I'll create carousel cards. I'll type in the button name as Shop Now. I'll put in some text for the QuickReply button. I'll add another card. Now, if I try to change the header of this card, I'll get a warning that modifying the header type of this card also changes the header type of all other cards. So I'll just click on Cancel. That's it. I'll proceed with the sample values that needs to be furnished. Now, click on Submit to apply the carousel template for approval. That's it. You have successfully created carousel template on QuickReply. Thank you for following along.